I will talk about how can you delete accounts on your SweetMeet app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, so just click here on settings. When you just click on settings here, then it's going to take you to next step here. Just so I'm going to skip these ads. Sorry, we will go back. So when you skip ads, it's going to show for you like this here. You click here on application settings, then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on delete account. So then here can you give them a reason if you want to delete profile or turn off notifications or delete all messages likes. Can you select it like this? You just click on delete profile, then you click on continue here, then it's going to delete with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.